Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to add Seatgeek tickets to Apple Wallet. Now all we need to do is to go ahead and open up our Safari, or we're actually gonna just go ahead and buy a ticket. So just go into seatgeek.com and then just go ahead and select the event that you want to go to. Say for example this one right here, and then just go ahead and select this. Now go ahead and choose the ticket, which is the one that you want to go to, and then just go ahead and go to check out, right, this one. And then if you have a SeatGeek account, just go ahead and log in, or if you don't have, then just go ahead and create a new one, and then you're gonna be going to continue to billing. Now once that you've continued to bill and you've actually bought the ticket, if you scroll all the way down, you should be able to see an option where you can see the ticket and it says add to Apple Wallet. So make sure to go ahead and click on this. And then when you click on it, it will actually go ahead and open up your wallet right here. And then you'll be able to see your available ticket like this. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.